squad, what's up? It's your skipologist, Miss Brown. How are you guys doing? I've got another tutorial for you for this week to keep you skipping fit the fun way. Now, just to let you know, I'm going to teach you a step that I made up called Yasss Queen. It's a really fun step, it's very sassy, it's very fun. First of all, as always, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Skip Squad Fitness. You can see all my tutorials and all my stretches and workouts there. But also follow me on Instagram at Skip Squad Fitness. I'd love you guys to join my squad, support my movement and bring skipping fitness a whole new way to you guys all over the place. Okay, so the Yasss Queen step. The Yasss Queen step basically is this. I'll show you how it is without the skipping ropes. So you basically, yas, 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 yas. So as you can see with this step, you're literally just stepping on one leg, kicking the other leg back, but you tilt your heel forward and you give yourself a bit of a hip rotation as well. So this kind of works out your hip. If you bring your leg back towards your bum on the other side, you get a nice stretch as well as you do it. So let's do it one more time, then I'll use it to skipping rope. So, yes, 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 yeah. See the rotation that I'm giving? It's a lot of you're moving your body around. So this is really, really good for getting your hips up and out, a bit more explosive. Now let's try the skipping ropes. As always, I'm going to do it slowly first, hopefully, and then we can get it together and get the sass on. Let's go. See, so just have fun with it. So that is the Yasss Queen step. You skip and rope, you find your rhythm, and again, instead of kicking out, you kick up, round to your bum, basically. Keep that leg high. I'll show you one more time. Yes, yes, yes. So there you go, guys. That is my step called Yasss Queen. Hope you enjoy that. Once again, follow me on Instagram at Skip Squad Fitness. Weather's great this week. If you're in London, milk it, get out, get your melon on fleek. Whatever you do, skip, dance, live your best life.